Arms in! Arms in!
Yeah,
Not
like
gonna run the hat.
I was just like, oh,
You're
we're
not
fighting
gonna
over
run
Kit Kat. And he's like, oh,
You're
okay.
not gonna run the hat. You're not gonna get it in.
I don't know if I'm laughing more at the fact that they're wrestling or the more the fact that they're dressed up and wrestling.
Yeah.
No.
Oh my god.
Casey, you better run. Go get it. Oh my god.
I'm better stronger than you. Kit Kat.
Oh my god.
Throw the shit.
I'd get him for knocking you over.
Whoa. Give me the Kit Kat, man. Don't be like that. Give me the Kit Kat. We should probably take this back in.